Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlink your extra Google account from your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Press on accounts. Select your Google account. So from here, if you want to unlink your extra Google account from your Android phone, you just have to press here remove account. That's it. So this is how to unlink your extra Google account from your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.